Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I will talk about development of childhood occupations. A child learns new occupations based on the facility that she or he bring to the activity. That means the child will learn from their environment or what they was heard or look every day in their life, and also motor and praxis, sensory, perceptual, emotional regulation, cognitive and communications and also social skill was contribute to occupational performance, where all this was very important to make sure the child has the skill or learn the skill through their development. Also, where children develop occupations through participation in family activities and cultural practice. As a child participates in the family's cultural practice, he or she learns occupations and performance skills that enable him or her to become a full participant in the community. Where Dorogov explained, people develop as participants in cultural communities. Here, what we can say is development of child occupations was encouraged by their activities was they are participate in their routine or in their family routine or activities. Okay, now we look about the development of play occupations infants to birth to 6 months, where the play occupation was exploratory play when the child was put their toys or things in their mouth, and they are play with sensory motor play with their, and they are play with their sense, with hands, with mouth, and also with 5 sense. And in social play, actually the child focus on attachment and bonding with parents, where they are feel their parents are the best things or feel safe in their life and or in their environment in this play occupations. Now about the development of play occupations infants to 6 to 12 months, where the child still exploratory play, and with they are play with their toys or things and put in their mouth and explore with their sense. And sensory motor play involved into functional play also, where begin to use toy according to their functional purpose, where they look horse, they will do a action like a horse, like a walk or run. And in our social play, this child attachment to parents and caregivers social play with parents and elders, where they are not engaged with friends or their kids, their or other kids in this development of play occupations. Okay, about the development of play occupations infants to 12 to 18 months, where the play occupation in this level was relational and functional play, where they are engaged in simple pretend play like shower the baby, eating or cooking, and then sleep the baby, direct towards safe pretty eating or sleeping. And also leans 2 or 3 scheme in simple combination demonstrates imitative play from an immediate model what they have looked and learned from their environment, and this will enhance their skill to develop their play occupations in this age. And for gross motor play, explore or space in the room where they can go everywhere to explore the room or the environment, and rows and cross in play close to the ground where they are to learn or to use their sense to play with their gross motor. And about the social play, begins peer interactions where they can sit beside the other kids, where that's mean parallel play in this stage for kids sit near with others while social play. And now is development of play occupations where toddlers to 18 to 24 months, whereas the play occupations which is functional play, where multi-scheme combinations and perform multiple related actions together, where the kids can play together with other kids, 2 or 3 or more kids in these play occupations, and they will play with toys that they can involve together. And then gross motor play is enjoy sensory input of gross motor play, where the kids can use their gross motor to do physical activities. And for pretend or symbolic play, mass inanimate objects perform actions such as dance, dancing, eating, hugging, pretend that objects are real for that they symbolize another object, where they use their imagination to play with other toys. And about the social play, there was participants in parallel play for these kids in this age, and imitate parents and peers in play, and participate in group of children to play together for activity they are involved.